Hello everyone, compliment. This word is with the alphabet E in the middle, PLE. This word is always used when we are talking about two things. When we describe two things and this we say that these things work well together, we call it a compliment. Or complement is when one thing adds to the beauty or quality of the other thing. Or we can say when one thing suits the other thing, it is a compliment. Like the shoes complement her dress. Here we are talking about two things, shoes and the dress. Shoes are the one which suits her dress or which adds to the beauty of her dress. These two seasonings complement each other. It means these two seasonings work well together. The balloons were a perfect complement for the decoration. The next word is complement, but it is with alphabet I, PLI. This word is used when you want to praise or admire someone. For example, I'll take your remark as a compliment. The teacher complimented me on my creative work. Coming to the additional meanings of the word compliment, there are other meanings of the compliment other than when we talk about two things which suit each other. The first one is related to number or quantity. Number or quantity needed to make something complete. For example, we have a full complement of interns this year. The second meaning is related to grammar. It is a word or a phrase. This word is usually a noun or an adjective and it is used after a linking verb. What is a linking verb? Linking verbs are the words like become, be, grow, etc. And this word is used to describe the subject of the verb. For example, she becomes angry very easily. In this sentence, angry is a complement. It is acting as an adjective here and it is describing the subject she. Second sentence, she has grown taller this year. This sentence also has a complement taller and it is describing the subject he.